And bad apologies make things worse. I'm sorry you feel that way, or I'm sorry, but you also. These aren't apologies, they're excuses. If you want to actually repair a relationship, you need a real apology. Here's the 4-part formula that works. First, the mistakes that destroy apologies. Don't say I'm sorry you feel that way. This blames the other person for being upset. It's not an apology. Don't add the word but. I'm sorry I was late, but traffic was bad. The second you say but, you erase everything before it. You're making excuses. Don't make it about you. I'm sorry, I feel terrible about this. The other person doesn't care how you feel right now. They care that you hurt them. And don't rush to fix it. I'm sorry, let me make it up to you right now. Slow down. Acknowledge what happened first. Here's what actually works. 4 parts, no excuses. Part 1, acknowledge what you did and be specific. Not, I'm sorry if I hurt you. That's vague. Say, I'm sorry I cancelled our plans last minute without explanation. Name the exact action. This shows you actually understand what went wrong. Part 2, validate their feelings. I can see why that felt disrespectful, or that was inconsiderate and you had every right to be upset. You're showing you understand the impact of your actions. This is not agreeing they're right about everything, it's acknowledging their experience. Part 3, take responsibility. No excuses. That was my fault. I should have communicated better. Not, I was really stressed. Not, you know how busy I've been. Just own it. If there were circumstances, you can mention them after you apologize, not as part of the apology. Part 4, say what you'll do differently. Next time, I'll let you know as soon as I realize I can't make it, or I'm going to set a reminder so this doesn't happen again. This shows you're not just saying words, you're actually changing behavior. That's it. 4 parts, no buts, no deflecting, no making yourself the victim. After you apologize, stop talking. Don't over-explain, don't keep apologizing. You said what you needed to say. The other person might not accept it right away. That's their right. You can't force forgiveness. A real apology isn't about making yourself feel better. It's about acknowledging harm and committing to change. If they do accept it, don't immediately go back to normal like nothing happened. Give them space to process. One more thing. Don't apologize for things that aren't your fault just to keep the peace. I'm sorry you're mad is not an apology. It's people-pleasing. Apologize when you actually did something wrong, not when someone's mad that you set a boundary or made a choice they didn't like. Real apologies are uncomfortable. They require you to sit with the fact that you messed up. But that's the only way to actually repair relationships. Life's too short to learn everything the hard way. Get help at quenchivibes.com. We've got guides on communication, boundaries, and all the relationship skills you're figuring out on your own.